What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We're aiming for 20k subscribers and get a deal in the description if you haven't already. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and that's probably because you haven't hit the bell. Thank you again for all your support. We're so proud of the amazing community that we've built. So we're just taking a look at Polygon here, and as we can see, it's holding support like an absolute beast, isn't it? Which is really, really good to see, considering, you know, it has been absolutely smashed down in the past few days. But you can see it's actually come down here. It's holding support like an absolute beast, isn't it, on this 55, which we think is really, really bullish, and it just shows basically the demand for Polygon and also the power of the, you know, basically it shows that we're still in the bull market, really, doesn't it? When you see things holding support so well like this. So essentially what we've got is, as we always say, we've got our overall range that we formed. We had the fake out to the upside here, but realistically this was just, you know, fake out and then stuck under the $2 level here. We come down, get below our EMAs, stuck under our EMAs, inside of our falling wedge, fake out to the downside. Everyone gets wrecked, starts shorting the bottom, big short squeeze, everyone gets wrecked again. Basically come all the way up, we break through our resistance, we break through the 20, we break through the 50, we flip bullish on our EMAs as well. Breaking all kinds of resistances here with the price action on our daily time frame. We come up to our first price target of 152, we retrace to support. We come up to our next price target of 172, we retrace to support, we come all the way down to the 55 here. We pump all the way up and we break out of that level, coming up to around that 180-ish level here, in and around this level of structure. And then obviously Bitcoin basically craps itself. It comes all the way down, it falls all the way down here, but we find ourselves retesting support at the 55 moving average, and it's held like an absolute beast, doesn't it? And you can see we've basically formed what you could describe as a range looking something like this as well, where we've basically held support really nicely, haven't we? Range looking something like this. We come up, test the top of the range, we come and test the bottom of the range along with the 55. We come up again, we get the fake out to the upside of the range, we come back down, we're looking for support, we find it on the 55 coalescing with the bottom of our range, which is actually a price prediction that we did say in our previous videos. So go and watch that if you don't believe us, but we did actually nail this. We did say if the market starts to roll over in a big way, which did look as though it was due for a big correction because we have just been, you know, steadily going up and up and up and up, that we would be looking for the bottom of this range with the 55 to hold, and that's exactly what's happened. You can see the price currently trading at around, you know, 137, 138 here. And you can see we're just consolidating in between our 55 and our 20 moving average. So things looking really bullish in my opinion, because we're holding support. We're back inside the range, but we're holding the range low as support. And you would expect with this, you know, to be coming back up to the top of the range if that's the case now. And, you know, those would be our price targets. So, I mean, let me just change this because this is actually a green level, something like this, 2 thickness. So you can see this is one of our green levels that we're targeting. We've got our support at the bottom of the range coming in at around that 125 to 130 area, looking something like that. So short-term price predictions, if we did roll over from here, we obviously expect the 55 to hold at around the 133 level. We've also got the bottom of the range looking very strong at around 128. And we do have some swing low areas from around that 120 level all the way down to around 110. Very strong support in my opinion. We probably wouldn't expect Polygon to go any lower than this, considering this really nice area of structure here that we have formed for a good amount of support now for continuation. And this is why it's good, by the way, to make, you know, decent support, because you can see here we wicked down onto this and got a really nice bounce. So those will be our short-term price predictions to the downside. And then if we do head to the upside, our first target is breaking the 20 moving average at 145. We've got our level here again at 152 and the overall range high of 172, this little range here as well. So those are our short-term price predictions. And then we just throw our fib retracement on this overall move again, so we can see an idea of, you know, what's possible for Polygon. Once we break that all-time high, which we think we probably will do in the next few weeks, considering how bullish we are setting up here. We've got the 127 coming in at around $3.92. We've got the 141 coming in at around $4.85. The 161 here coming in at around $6.38. We've obviously got our $10 price target, which is our golden line here, which is our overall mega price target for Polygon for most people. We've also got the 227 extension coming in at around $16.67 there, which is quite a stretch, we would say. But we do think $5 to $10 very, very possible coming in, you know, around this 141, halfway up that 227 extension. So That's it, guys. We'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with the 4 videos that we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.